Hello everyone, welcome to SSBR Educations. This is Srivalli. So before starting the class, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. So now I'm starting the class. In part 1 and part 2, I explained about the mathematical operations on numbers and variables and constants and variables. About constants and variables I explained. Now in part 3, I am coming to the main topic, algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? In last two classes, we learned about the basics of algebra. Now we are entering the main topic, that is algebraic expression, and it is the main and basic topic in mathematics. So now we will start our class. First, algebraic expression, and it is part 3. Now, now we will see what is the definition of algebraic expression. A combination of constants and variables connected by operations plus, minus, into, and division is known as an algebraic expression. In last classes, we learned about constants and variables, and by connection means how constants and variables connected means by mathematical operations we will connect the constants and variables by plus, minus, into, divided by. So by these four mathematical operations, we will connect constants and variables. When the combination of these constants and variables with the help of mathematical operation, that time we will say that algebraic expression. You people got my point. Again, I will repeat. When constants and variables connected with all mathematical operations, here what is mathematical operations? Plus, minus, into, divided by. These four are the mathematical operations in the mathematics, and these four connect the constants and variables, and all these combination means all the constants, variable, and mathematical operations, these three combination is said to be algebraic expression, and I will write the definition here. See here. So a combination of constants and variables connected by mathematical operations like plus, minus, into, and it is the gap of the here gap is there, and division is known as algebraic expression. So you got my definition and my point. So I will write an example here. 5x plus 2y minus 7xy. It is an algebraic expression. Why it is called an algebraic expression means, see here, x, x, y, xy, x into y, and these are variables or literals. And 5 to 7 constants. And plus here, plus there, and minus 2, and into also there. How means, when 5x, see here, 5 into x, that equal to 5x. So here 5 and 5 product x, 5 into x, this symbol is multiplying the 2, 5 and x. So into MC, I'm not writing full form of MC. It is mathematical operation. So here what they said in the definition, combination of constants and variables connected by mathematical operations. These three are connecting, these mathematical operations are connecting variables and constants. See here, 5x plus 2y. When plus symbol is connecting these two numbers, that time it happens 5x plus 2y. If plus symbol is not there, it remains 5x and 2y. We can't call them 5x comma 2y, anything we can't call. Here plus symbol is connecting 5x and 2y, and minus symbol is connecting 2y minus 7xy. Or else we can say that 5x plus 2y, minus symbol is connecting 5x plus 2y and 7xy. So like this, mathematical operations are connecting variables and constants. When the combination of variables, constants and mathematical operation, that time it is said to be algebraic expression. So this expression is said to be algebraic expression because it is combined with constants, variables and mathematical operations. So by this we can say it is an example for algebraic expression. You can write any type of example for this. So we completed the definition of algebraic expression. Now you know about what is algebra and what it deals, and you know mathematical operations, and you know the definition of algebraic expression. And I written the example. You should write another two examples for this, and you should write the what are constants in that, variables, and what are the mathematical operation, how these mathematical operations are connecting the variables and the constants, and how they form an algebraic expression. So now we completed algebraic expression. Now terms of an algebraic expression. Now we will discuss about terms of an algebraic expression. Terms of an algebraic expression. If there any mistake in my class, please comment, please write on the comment box. So now we completed algebraic expression. After that, now we are going to discuss about terms of an algebraic expression. First we will see what is term and what is the definition of it, how it is used in algebraic expression. Now we will see now. Several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign are called the term of an expression or term of the expression. See here, several parts of an algebraic expression separated with plus and minus. In the last example, we saw 5x plus 2y minus 7xy. These plus and minus separating 5x means, see here, here had three terms. How I will write the definition here. I write the example here. 5x plus 2y and 7xy. And plus is separating 5x one term and 2y one expression, 7xy one term. So before place 5x is one of the term and 2y is one of the term and 7xy is one of the term, minus 7x and plus. So here this plus is separating 5x and 2y and minus is separating 7xy and 2y. So see, I am repeating the definition again. Several parts of an algebraic expression means these are the several parts. Plus 2xy minus 7xy, these are the several parts. And this is the one part, and this is one part, this is one part. Here three parts are there, and these three parts means one part of the expression. This is one part of the expression. We will determine this total part as expression, and in this expression 5x is the one part of this expression. 5x is the one part of this expression, and this 5x is called as term. 5x is called as term. And 2y is one term. 7xy is one term. And when all terms are combined, then an expression will be exist. So see here, I'm repeating the definition again. Several parts of an expression separated by plus or minus signs means these parts 5x, 2y, 7xy was combined, connected only, but it is one part and it is one part and it is one part. It is connected but separated with a plus minus sign only. We can't write 5x, 2y, 7xy. If we write like this, it will become a product of the number. It will become a product of the term. That time it will be one term. That time it will be one term. For that, plus and minus was separating the expression and separating several parts, and that time it become an expression. So 5x is one term and 2y is one term, 7xy is one term, and plus and minus sign is the source to separate them. That time a term will exist. When all terms combine, an algebraic expression will exist. So here 5x, 2y and 7xy are the terms of the expression. Now we will see examples. Here I'm writing another example. Wait a minute. So I'm writing another expression. 2x minus 5y plus 3xyz, an expression. So in this, have three terms. How, ma'am, you are saying having three terms means here 2x is one term, plus 2x is one term, and minus 5 is one term, minus 5y is one term, and plus 3xyz is one term. You should count that with sign. You should count that with sign. Here I didn't written, here plus, minus, plus and minus. So here three terms are exist to form an algebraic expression. So here plus 2x and minus 5y and plus 3xyz. These are the three terms combined to form an algebraic expression. So by this we can say that what is term? Term of an algebraic expression. I will repeat the definition again. You should note that I can't write on the board. It takes a lot of time. So I'm saying the definition. Several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus and minus signs are called the term of an expression. So it is Now we completed our terms of an algebraic expression. Now we are going to various types of algebraic expression. So here in this episode we completed two topics. What is their algebraic expression and terms of an algebraic expression in part 3. In next class, we are going to discuss about various types of algebraic expression and factors of a term, constant term, coefficient, like terms. Oh, so many there to discuss in algebra. So in this episode, you completed two topics. So if you understand my class, please click on the like symbol and subscribe my channel. So I'm going to conclude this episode. Please watch my classes regularly. That time you can understand my classes. Thank you.